Ethan's jumping on the couch.
Can you see me?
Yeah. It's Tuesday. And we've been really busy.
Yeah.
Bobby's car turns out has a big bolt in the tire.
Well, that's not good.
So we've been all over town figuring that out.
So, Walmart can fix it, so.
Needs a new tire.
Yeah.
So now we have to get him a new tire on his new car.
There's a nail in his tire.
A bolt. They said it's a bolt. I don't know. I haven't seen it yet.
I don't know.
So now we're making dinner.
We're having chicken.
Having chicken, but Ethan wants a corn dog and chicken and french fries. And then we might play Legos if we have time.
No, we'll make them.
So build the Legos, yes. Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. We just finished cooking. Now we're gonna eat our dinner. We made a salad with some chicken and potatoes. Ethan has chicken, a corn dog, and french fries.
And chicken.
And chicken, yep. So we'll have to eat it now.
No, they mean.
Pink lemonade, yep. Okay, bye. Ethan's having snack. What are you having, Ethan?
Yes.
Ice cream. Fruit snacks.
Ah, wow.
What is it then?
Yes.
I just guessed.
No.
No? Cuties.
Yes.
Oh, I guess. He's having cuties. The oranges. Yum. Okay. Hi.
Hi. Where are you from?
We're going to bed now.
Put the arm straight up on your bed.
So, we'll see everyone tomorrow. Right?
Thanks
For watching.